Everyone, welcome back to my channel Botanic Bloom. मेरा नाम है समीर and on this video I'm going to talk about top 8 indoor plants which you can easily keep at your home. Those plants doesn't need too much maintenance, too much care, so let's start.
September we met, I can tell by your smile.
So our eighth plant is Erica palm. This plant is most beautiful and one of the most widely used palms. Its features is so much beautiful and these big bold plants command attention. The care of Erica palm indoors isn't difficult. It doesn't need too much care, too much maintenance, but only to water them often enough to keep the soil lightly moist, especially in springs and summers. So our next plant is aloe vera. It is the most popular plant and known by its medical benefits. Aloe vera is also known as wonder plant. This plant can easily grow at your home with low maintenance. It doesn't need too much care, too much maintenance. It is cultivated worldwide, especially for its aloe gel, which comes from its leaves. And aloe vera is used as food, as cosmetics, as herbal remedy, as food supplements, and many more. It has very beautiful and attractive leaves. Our next plant is Lucky Bamboo. Lucky Bamboo is a household plant which is easy to care for and grow well in indirect sunlight. Many people think it's a real bamboo, but it's a type of tropical water lilies called Raceana sandriana. The Lucky Bamboo plant is one of the most popular feng shui cares said to bring good luck and prosperity to the place where it is grown, and it is also known for to enhance the flow of positive energy in the house. Our next plant is money plant. This is the most popular among all the indoor plants and most beautiful. You can easily grow money plant at your home. You can easily grow money plant on direct or indirect sunlight. This is the most low maintenance indoor plants. You can also grow them in water, hang them on walls, hang them on windows, and it looks so much beautiful. According to feng shui experts, money plant absorbs harmful radiation produced by electronic items. As per beliefs, placing money plant at home, one can gain financial prosperity. So our next plant is peace lily, a long-time favorite of those with a green thumb and even those without is commonly known as peace lily. It is an adaptable and low-maintenance houseplant. Peace lilies are not true lilies at all, but rather than a member of Araceae family. There are wide variety of sizes and types of peace lily. Only one thing you should keep in mind is don't water these plants regularly. Peace lilies are far more tolerant of underwatering than overwatering, which is the most common reasons for peace lily to die. You should check them once in a week to see if there is needed to be water or not. Our next plant is spider plant. The spider plant is considered one of the most adaptable of house plants and easiest to grow. These plants can grow in a wide range of conditions and suffer from only few problems other than brown tips. This plant is named because of its spider-like leaves which looks like a spider on web. Caring of this plant is very easy. This stuffed plant can tolerate a lot of abuse, provide them with well-drained soil and bright indirect sunlight and they will flourish. So our top second plant is Chinese evergreen plant. While other house plants require a bit of effort in providing appropriate growing conditions like temperature, light, humidity, but this Chinese evergreen plant can tolerate poor light, dry air and drought. Growing Chinese evergreen is easy. This gem of plant is one of the most popular house plants grown in home due to it is easy to care. On the top of the list of low maintenance plant is popularly known as snake plant. It is the member of lily family. The plant is most tolerant of all decorative plants to survive the most unsuitable growing conditions. Snake plant is considered as top air purifying plant for indoor environment. It doesn't need too much care, it doesn't need too much maintenance and don't water these plants regularly. Only check them once in a week if it is needed to be watered or not.